Hey y'all, so what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, so in today's video I'm going to be telling y'all everything that you're going to need to make the color changing lip oil. So here are like all the ingredients laid out, and any more questions or any other ingredients, I do have a best oil, best ingredient. So number one is you're going to need a base. Now these are two bases that are really good and really y'all ignore my hands. Y'all, if you see my hands, I just got done filming a video. The number one, like most classic one, will be a Versagel base, which is just a base, a really good base for you to use. Right here I'm using the Thebeautypackage lip gloss base, but you can get it on Amazon, eBay, TKB Trading. All of those have Versagel as well, but this is one that I use, is the Thebeautypackage, which is my own brand. If you want a thicker lip oil, or if you don't want to use Versagel, because I know a lot of people do not want to use Versagel, this is This is P1200, which is a very thick base. I want to just show y'all, like this stuff is thick, y'all. I talked about this ingredient in my best in how to make lip gloss without Versagel video. But y'all, look at this. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all. Y'all, crazy. So yeah, this will be this is another base option that you can use if you don't want to use Versagel, or if you want a thicker lip gloss base. If you want your lip oil base, if you want your lip oil to be closer to store-bought quality lip oil, P1200. You're going to need things to thin out your base. Combine all of your ingredients together because it is an oil, and oil can separate from other oils and like flavorings and micas and glitter. First, we're gonna start off with OC. OC is amazing for making lip oils. It is an amazing ingredient when it comes to making cosmetics. Next ingredient is HP, synthetic polymer. And this is also like typically the number one ingredient in Versagel, and this is amazing for binding all the ingredients together and thinning out your Versagel. Next is P250. It is a skin conditioning agent, and it holds the Versagel and the oils together. This will help get your lip oil closer to a lab produced lip oil or lab produced quality lip oil. So this is amazing. So many videos on like the best oils for lip gloss and for lip oils, but these are going to be my top 5. Is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is amazing for lip oils, and it's just really nice, and it is super lightweight and very moisturizing, and it keeps your lips soft. Like basically clear. It has like a little green tint, but it's basically clear, so it's even better for clear lip oils. Next is castor oil. This keep the glitter and the micas on your lips a little better. It heals dry and cracked lips, and it's a little bit on the thicker side, so it's good for lip oil. Next is clear jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is amazing when it comes to lip products and for lip care, and it is a great for your lips. But this one's clear, so if you want to make a clear lip oil, highly recommend getting a clear jojoba oil. Next is vitamin E oil, which is literally so amazing for lips. It's amazing, and it's definitely one of the top ingredients for my lip oils in my experience. But there's so many different ones, but the liquid kind, the clear liquid kind, is like the best for lip oils. So if you're gonna get that one. Next is sweet almond oil. This oil is very affordable and amazing for beginners. It is very lightweight, moisturized, and soothes lips, so it is very ideal for lip oils. Makes your lip oils smoother and thins them out, just makes it more of a lip oil consistency rather than a lip gloss. Next is flavoring. Y'all, I use these flavorings. These are my favorite. The Laura Ann ones are really good as well, but these ones are amazing. So yeah, flavoring oil. I'll put like 2 or 3 websites like on flavoring oils from, but these are some of my favorite. Even though like they don't really taste like it that much, they still are pretty good. This is mica. So this is the color changing ingredient. So this is the Change Magic Color Lip Oil. This is from TKB Trading. This is what changes the lip oil from clear to pink, and this is super amazing. And yeah, this is the secret ingredient. Y'all, TKB, if y'all want your girl to sponsor, hit me up. Put me on the PR list, something. Okay, so yeah, this is amazing. This is what will change your color. This is the mica powder, but there are so many other ones now that this one has like kind of literally went crazy. but there's so many different ones. But yeah, this one's amazing. This is the color changing lip gloss secret ingredient that everyone talks about. No gatekeeping here. I'm putting y'all on. So yeah, this is what it is. If you want to use different micas and different colorings and all that kind of stuff, these are the ones that I like to use. These are from the ones from the Thebeautypackage. I like to use the pink one, the purple one, and the white one. I especially like to use the pink one and the white one in lip oils because it just makes it better. But I do plan on making a purple lip oil, so check that out. Now it's glitter. I get this glitter from Etsy or eBay. Glittery lip oil is like my all-time favorite thing to buy. I love it so much. So yeah, definitely get you some glitter. TKB Trading, Etsy, eBay, cosmetic glitter. Get you some cosmetic glitter and you can pick those up on any of those couple of sites. You're gonna need some tubes. These are the Thebeautypackage doe foot tubes. These are 10 milliliter tubes. So you need some tubes. So yeah, these ones are the ones that I like to use. It's just some doe foot tubes, and yeah. So yeah, y'all, thank you for this video. I hope this video helped y'all in any way, shape, or form. This is just to kind of put y'all on game about the lip color changing lip oils and how to make them, and like just how to, you know, produce the best one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my business pages and my website at Thebeautypackage. And yeah, subscribe if you want more content like this. I have so much more content like this rolling out. And check out all the other videos surrounding around lip oils. I'll put the playlist down in the description because I have a lip oil playlist. So yeah, bye, and thank you so much for watching this video.